Hi everyone, I'm Ellery and I'm the Curious Home Cook. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make chili garlic oil. But not just any chili garlic oil. We'll add some more spices than usual. Gawin natin crunchy yung garlic. I'll show you how. I start with pork oil, but that's optional. We have a stock of pork oil at home because we manufacture chicharon at home. But you can use vegetable oil or canola oil. About the garlic, you can put the garlic kahit na hindi pa mainit yung oil. That helps infuse the garlic flavor to the oil. If you're doing a big batch, you can use food processor. So while frying the garlic, I would prepare my chilies. This time I'm using siling labuyok or red chili peppers. You can use any type of chili that you want. And some would use Carolina Reaper pa. About the garlic, I want to strain it one shade lighter kasi even after straining, it's still cooking. So you don't want to overdo your garlic. So using the same pan, I would use the same oil that I used for the garlic. So this has very good flavor already. And I would start sauteing the chili. And I would smash the chili para yung anghang niya lumalabas pa. And you can start putting your aromatics, bay leaf, cinnamon. You can even put peppers, star anise as well. So after cooling your fried garlic, put it in a bottle. And then you can put the seasonings or the aromatics that you used. So I would put my cinnamon bark and then the bay leaf. And then you can put the oil and the chili. And I would put salt and then sugar. I want it sweet, so I would put a lot of sugar. That's 2 tablespoons of sugar right there. It's going to melt and it's going to make the oil sweet. There it is, your chili, crunchy garlic oil. So, ito na yung chili garlic oil na ginawa natin kanina. Nilagay ko lang siya sa store-bought siomai. And wala na ako ibang nilagay kundi yun lang. Pero masarap siya, may calamansi. Usually, naglalagay pa ng toyo. Tignan natin. Ang laki ng siomai. Sarap. Nakakahang siya. Ganito, hindi siya sobrang anghang. Kasi hindi naman sobrang dami. Yung chili na linamit natin. I'm talking while my mouth is full. Hindi siya sobrang anghang. Para sa akin. Walang kung mataas yung tolerance or what. Pero, ang gusto ko kasi sa chili garlic oil is crunchy yung garlic. Tapos, yung oil maanghang. Yun talaga yung idea is to infuse yung anghang dun sa oil kasama yung mga spices. So, lasang-lasa mo dito yung cinnamon at saka yung tamis. Ang sarap-sarap niya. Ngayon, kung gusto niyo naman na mas maanghang, wala namang problema dun. Pwede nyo dagdagan yung chili. Pwede ko yung gumamit ng iba pang chili. Try nyo to, masarap talaga siya. Homemade, mas mura, malinis, hindi magastos. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, if you like this recipe, copy it or do it at home. Please tag The Curious Home Cook. And please subscribe to my channel. Also, give this a thumbs up. And if you have other ideas na gusto nyong iluto ko or i-feature dito, please leave a comment down below. And I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye. Kain tayo. Isa pa.